How to buy Sygic premium subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Sygic premium subscription. So kindly follow through to the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Sygic app. So just go ahead to launch the application, and then once the application is launched, you would see the home page where you'd see your map, and then at the bottom part of the screen you would see options like your home address, your work address, and the likes. So once you can see this, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see 3 horizontal lines. Once you've seen it, click on it. Once you click on it, a list of options will be displayed. Among this option, you can see the option Premium Plus expires in 5 days. This is because mine has not expired. If yours has expired, it will also show Premium Plus it will expire or something like that, or expired, right? So you can just click on that, and then by clicking on the premium option, you'll be taken to the Sygic store. Now you can either decide to do this, or you can go back to the home page and then move to the last option here, which is Sygic store, and then select it. Whichever one is fine. Just ensure that you find your way to the Sygic store. So once you're in the store, you can see the premium packages that are available on this page. So you have the 6-month plan, and then you have the 12-month plan, and it will be the amount to be displayed in the currency of your country. So just go ahead to select the one that you can afford, or the one that suits you best. And after selecting that, you'll be taken to the next stage. On this page, you can see the option for you to buy the product at the amount, read through the advantages that you would get from buying this product, and then click on buy for the amount that will be displayed based on your country. And so your payment method will be displayed. If you're satisfied, click on subscribe, and then the money will be deducted from the account that you've added to your Google Play account already, and you'll be able to buy Sygic premium subscription. And if you do not have a payment method, you'll be required to add a payment method. Go ahead, add a payment method, click on subscribe, and the subscription will be purchased successfully. So this is how to go about it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and ensure you have a good day.